Hi guys, I thought I'd find a quiet place to do a video this morning. Oh, that'll help. I'm waiting for my tire shop to open and figured I'd use the time wisely. Hey, today we've got some exciting things to talk about. One major feature launch and a couple topics. The first of which is something that's been requested a number of times, especially over this last year, and that is the idea of a user summit. You guys will ask questions over the chat support and you get the answers, or these updates will provide you with some answers, but there's a lot of questions you don't know to ask. And something like a summit could be interesting because someone may ask a question and whether it's myself or one of the team or another user may say, yeah, but here's how I've been approaching that. If you'd be interested, just reply to this and let us know. Service, support, maintenance packages. It is not uncommon for you guys to sell them with your projects, both at high and low levels. I mean, large and small projects alike. Even in my integrating days, I have many customers come to me and say, can you just sell me a long-term support package? I don't want to deal with paid service calls. I don't want to deal with warranties expiring. Can you just sell me on a monthly or an annual basis just the reassurance that I know all I got to do is call you guys and my problems are solved. It's a big buzz within the industry itself for both recurring revenue for integrators, which is always helpful, but the benefit to the end users. So the idea of automating and presenting on a far more regular basis these long-term maintenance packages is pretty exciting. So we spent some time dealing with the best way to automate the designing of and pricing of, and then the proposing to your clients these packages. And we now launched that today, and we're really excited about that. I'll show you a little run through of it here. So in your company settings, you'll now see service packages. You see we've got one in here already. We'll add another. You'll give it a package name that your client will see, a short internal description, and then a full description that'll show up on their proposal. And then you come down to pricing method, and you can now automate the price of this based on these different formulas. Then you give it a price and then a program term, monthly, annually, 2 or 3 years. And finally, we give you something totally new in Jetbuilt, and that is smart rounding. This is really exciting, and yes, we will be pushing this to more things like pricing programs and markup control and things of that nature. You can give it a range you want it to round to. So, $600 can round to $1,000 if you give it enough latitude. You can also select to simply round to the nearest even cents. Then finally, you can choose, just like a factor, to have these automatically populate in your projects, and furthermore, to protect them. And now inside the project, now you can see they are both added to the project, and also you notice the gold package is rounded quite nicely. Now we'll go to a proposal. You see a detailed page. This lists the entire description of the program. You'll see one of those for each of the packages. And then finally on the acceptance page, just like options, and they will show up after any options that you may have, you'll see both of those support packages. We couldn't be more excited to bring this to you today. Enjoy and give us some feedback on it as you like. Thanks, Paul. I'll take it from here. InfoComm is just 2 months away, and I can't believe it's almost here. So we really look forward to seeing you guys in Las Vegas in a couple of months. Come by our booth. We are easier to find this time. We're right next door to Black Magic, which is always a really easy booth to find. We're across the aisle from them. Well, I guess that's it. So once again, thanks for using Jetbuilt. Keep those comments coming. We continue to grow to build the best Jetbuilt it could possibly be.